In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a speed camera on the Waze app. As you might know, Waze is a community-based navigation app that not only helps you get from point A to point B, but also provides real-time road alerts shared by fellow drivers. Reporting speed cameras is an excellent way to contribute to the community and help others drive safely. Let's dive into how you can easily perform this task right from your smartphone. Firstly, you'll want to ensure that the Waze app is open on your phone and the GPS is active. It's crucial that your GPS is turned on because it helps Waze track your location accurately, making it possible for you to report incidents and receive notifications about nearby road conditions. If you're new to Waze, just open the app by tapping on its icon from your home screen or app drawer. After the app launches, the map view should appear, showing your current location. Now, while you're driving and you spot a speed camera, it's time to make use of the app's reporting feature. Look for the report button, which is represented by a plus sign or sometimes just the word report, located on the map interface. This button is usually at the lower part of the screen, designed to be easily accessible so that you can quickly tap it when needed without too much distraction. After you've tapped the report button, you'll see a menu with various options. From here, select Police, as speed cameras fall under this category in Waze. Once you've selected Police, another menu will appear asking for more specifics. Choose the camera option to indicate that you are reporting a speed camera. It's vital to be as precise as possible during this step to ensure other drivers receive accurate alerts. Next up, it's time to submit your report. Tap on Send to submit the information. You'll often find a tickmark icon or the word Send explicitly indicating this action. Once you've hit Send, your report will be shared with the Waze community. Other drivers will now see an alert on their map that there's a speed camera at the location you reported, helping them navigate carefully and avoid any potential fines. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've not only enhanced your journey, but also contributed to making the roads a little safer for everyone else. Remember, using Waze while driving requires your focus on the road, so ensure that you're parked safely or driving slowly when making any reports. Thanks for doing your part in the community and for tuning in to learn how to use the Waze app effectively. Safe travels!